Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to start a Freepik Contributor account. In order to do so, first off, when I went to the Freepik website and looked around for information related to starting a contributor account, I couldn't find anything. When I did a Google search, I came up with this link here, contributor.freepik.com, and when we click on that, then this does bring us to a specific contributor page that we can go through. We can accept the terms and conditions. So let's go ahead and go through this step by step, and we'll show you how you can do the same thing. So if I select I accept the terms and conditions, it looks like it's going to make me want to scroll all the way down. There we go. So just in doing so, that allows us to move on to the next step. And here it's going to ask some basic information. I did get an error code there, so I'm not sure exactly what that's about, but we're just going to go ahead and take this step by step so that you have an idea of what you might encounter as well. So then from here, we have a professional portfolio. So here's where if you have a portfolio, you're going to want to add that. And also if you have social media links that you want to add, it looks like it's just giving you the option for Instagram and Facebook, and also for the language here at the bottom, you can change the language. And aside from that, it is asking us for some other information, our website, but let's go ahead and just hit save for now. We'll see what happens, and that does let us start moving on to the next option here. So it says here, congratulations, you're almost ready to start uploading. Before you do, we suggest you read the Creator's Handbook that contains all information related regarding our contributor system. Okay, so let's go ahead and just take a quick look at the Contributor's Handbook. And here, steps to creating your account, billing information, how to upload your ID document, how to upload your residence certificate, birth identification, personal identification requirements, and there are a few other things here to take a look at as well. We have our best practices, reasons for rejection, uploading and preparing your content, payment process, technical support, Freepik Contributor Ambassador, a referral program, and there's also the Freepik Contributor app. So that's just to give you an idea of what you can expect. Let's go ahead and see about uploading. So we're going to go ahead and click Start Uploading. And there we are. We are now set up as a Freepik contributor. That's all there was to it. There is a lot here that you can take a look at, but we're just going to give you the steps to actually starting up as a Freepik contributor. Here we can submit our first work, and that's all there is to it. We're now logged in as a Freepik contributor. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.